An Educator's Guide to Universal Design for Learning, UDL. UDL is an approach to teaching and learning that gives every student an equal opportunity to succeed. UDL is considered best practice for teaching all students in an inclusive learning environment. The goal of UDL is to create expert learners who are purposeful, motivated, resourceful, knowledgeable, and strategic. Teachers consider learner variability when designing lessons because there is no such thing as an average student. Teachers use various teaching methods that build in flexibility to remove any barriers to learning. UDL is a framework on designing lessons, starting with the development of clear, rigorous goals and assessments. UDL is based on three main principles. Principle 1. Engagement. A teacher looks for multiple ways to motivate learners and sustain their interest. Examples: offer choices such as choice boards or playlists, connect the content and concepts to the students' lives, gamification, create opportunities to explore and experiment, have students participate in the design of assignments and assessments. Principle 2. Representation. A teacher offers multiple ways of representing the content, concepts, and/or skills to be learned. For example, the instructor could provide a passage of text along with an audio recording of the content and task directions, a video showing how to determine key information in the source, providing the text in a digital format that can be read using a text-to-speech application, pre-teaching vocabulary, providing graphic organizers. Principle 3. Action and expression. A teacher offers learners multiple ways to demonstrate their understanding. For example, learners could be given the following choices: taking a traditional pencil and paper test, creating and performing a song, making a video or a comic strip, doing a group project involving the creative arts, using physical manipulatives. UDL helps all learners because UDL sees barriers in the learning environment, not in the learner. UDL makes learning more accessible in all classrooms. UDL presents information in ways that consider the student's learning profile. UDL builds in flexibility for learners to use their strengths to work on their areas of growth, and UDL reduces stigma. By giving a variety of options to everyone, UDL doesn't single out any learners. Here's an analogy that can help teachers better understand UDL. Imagine you're planning a beach day for family and friends. A person needs items like a bathing suit, cover-up, beach towel, lunch, beverage, snacks, sunscreen, and beach umbrella. Would you expect everyone to wear a traditional bathing suit, all in the same style and size? Would you expect them to want the same snacks, lunch, and beverage? No way! Would you expect each person to use the same sunscreen or cover-up? How about the same type of beach umbrella, or even to want to use an umbrella? What about a beach blanket or towel? Of course not! Would you expect everyone to want all the exact same things to enjoy the day at the beach? Absolutely not! If you did, they'd choose not to attend because you wouldn't be considering their needs when they spend time at the beach. Now take this situation into the classroom setting. Would we expect all our students to experience the learning process in the same way? We wouldn't expect the beachgoers to experience a day at the beach in the same way. Some would want to swim, others would not. Some may want SPF 50 sunscreen, and others may only want SPF 25. Just like the trip to the beach, individual variability must be expected, honored, and embraced for each student in your classroom. By realizing this in your learners, you can develop clear goals and design flexible lessons that reduce or remove barriers to learning. So each learner will become purposeful, motivated, and knowledgeable. With UDL, teachers become facilitators of learning by giving students choices that allow them to control their own learning and to achieve rigorous goals and standards. By providing multiple means of engagement, representation, action, and expression, you will empower each student to become expert learners. Now that you know about universal design for learning, how will you integrate UDL into your teaching practices?